Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the Dino Glow Grill. Had it for several years now, as you can see. Very worn down. We have these grates, right, and also these plates that I just ordered some replacements off Amazon. Long overdue, so we're going to head and swap these out now and see how it looks. So here we have the new grates and plates. Put one of the plates in there, looking very good. How we should replace this tray. Gotta look that up next. But yeah, it fits right in. It's got the little hook. Make sure you buy the right size, which this looks like the right size, so it looks like we're good. Alright, so now we have the plates and the new grates put into the grill. It's looking good. You can see the plates. These things really wear down over time. Like I said, they lasted several years, so it's pretty good. Saved me some money without having to buy a new grill. Swap out some of the parts. I was considering getting a new grill, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get some of the parts inside because it's working fine.